ready for this competition? Ready for the competition? Everybody is ready. You have to think about what you have to think about. Only and only present. Let's see who becomes the best speaker. तो चलिए फटाफट आज की बात करते हैं. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, आज की शुरुआत करते हैं. कौन बनेगा बेस्ट स्पीकर? तो चलिए लेट मी चेक इट आउट. शुरुआत करते हैं आज की. वेलकम करते हैं आप सभी लोगों का, जितने भी लोग आए हैं. एवरीबॉडी, वो चाहे सृष्टि हो, मोहन हो, अभिषेक सैनी हो, रुखसार हो, अवनीश कृष्णा तिवारी हो, आयुषी हो, पल्लवी हो, पूजा हो, अंजलि हो, सभी का वेलकम करते हैं. और भी लोगों को अभी आना है. द पीपल माइट बी कमिंग. अभी आ रहे होंगे सारे लोग. तो सब लोगों का हम क्या करते हैं, सब लोगों का भैया स्वागत करते हैं. तो स्वागत एवरीबॉडी, सारे लोगों का क्या करते हैं, सारे लोगों का स्वागत करते हैं. तो बी रेडी फॉर द कंपटीशन. आज के कंपटीशन के लिए फटाफट तैयार हो जाइए. देखते हैं कौन बनेगा बेस्ट स्पीकर, कौन बनेगा बेस्ट स्पीकर. तो चलते हैं. सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं who will become the best speaker. कौन बनेगा बेस्ट स्पीकर, ये यहाँ पर देखना होगा. दिलचस्प होगा कौन बनेगा बेस्ट स्पीकर. इंट्रोड्यूस करा देते हैं आपको स्पीकर से. स्पीकर से इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हैं आपको. यहाँ पर देखिए, सबसे पहले ये है आपकी, कौन ये है, पूजा मैडम. ये पूजा मैडम है. ये अंजलि मैडम है. ये पूजा, ये आपकी अंजलि मैडम है. ये आयुषी मैडम है. ये आपकी पल्लवी मैडम है. ये दीपांशी मैडम है. ये सृष्टि मैडम है. एंड ही इज मोहन वाजपेयी एंड शी इज रुखसा. सो दीज आर द स्पीकर. ये आपके क्या है, स्पीकर है. एंड दे आर टू परफॉर्म टुडे. आज इन लोगों को क्या करना है, आज इन लोगों को परफॉर्म करना है. तो चलिए, अब शुरू होता है काउंटडाउन. अब शुरू होता है आपका क्या, अब शुरू होता है काउंटडाउन. और बिल्कुल तैयार हो जाइए आज के लिए. आज के लिए सारे लोग तैयार हो जाइए. सबने वेरी वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका. और हमारे भी बहुत सारे लोग भी हैं जो बताएंगे कि कौन है बेस्ट स्पीकर. तो चलिए, सबसे पहले हम चलते हैं और देखते हैं किसकी बारी आएगी टॉपिक को बोलने. सृष्टि, you have to speak over the topic when you stole a pen. Srishti.
So, am I audible and visible?
Yes, you are audible and visible too.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. First, my situational topic is when I stole a pen. So, first of all, I would like to pay thanks to our English teacher, Mr. Ahin Trivedi sir, who has given me this golden opportunity to speak over this situational topic when I stole a pen. So friends, it was the matter of those days when I was in class 10th. So you all know that the class 10th is board exam. So what happened, guys, that I'm getting for my exams. I'm getting ready for my exams. So I was very nervous that what will be the paper, that what will be the question come in question paper, and the first paper is English. So I was too nervous, and I was ready for that particular exam, that is English. And I used to go school with my bicycle. So with the blessings, with taking blessings of our elder ones, I took my bicycle and go for school to go to give exam. So what happened that I was very nervous, so and too fast for giving exam. So when I reached school, and teacher instructed all the students that please took out all the all the stationery. So I forgot that we you all know that we all give exam with blue pen and black pen. So I forgot black pen, and I was very anxious and full of anxiety that what will I do. I forgot my blue pen. So um, I consulted my one of the best friends that please give me blue pen. I forgot that blue pen. So she refused me that I will not give you that blue pen. And guys, she have two blue pens. So I was too angry that what kind of girl she is that she has two blue pen and she refused to give me. So what happened that when she get entered into a class, I stole from her bag that particular blue pen. So it's all about my topic. That's all. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me.
Good. Very nice, sister, you did. Very nice. Now the chance goes to, let's see who is going to be the next speaker in that. And I will have to check it out that I will have to go through this. So let me check it out that who is going to be the next speaker. So फटाफट देख लेते हैं भाई. पल्लवी.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, friends. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to sir who has given me this golden opportunity to speak over the topic. My situational topic is when I was beaten badly. Friends, it was a matter of those days when I was in fourth class, and one day when I returned from my school, my mama told me that I put a bowl of milk on flame, and you stood here and saw that milk of milk of bowl was not put on the floor. I said to her that okay, I stood here, but after some time, I was busy in seeing a serial Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Then I went to seeing serial, and I forgot that my mama told me like that you stood in the kitchen. And after some time, when a smell was coming from kitchen, I ran there. I went there and saw that all the milk of bowl was poured on the floor. I was very in anxiety, and I was filled with fear that if mama will come and scolding me. But uh, I quickly I quickly clean the floor. And when mama came, she saw that nothing she saw that no milk was left in the in the bowl. She told me very badly. She beaten me badly, and she said that next time this was not same happen again. I told her that no, next time this was not happen. Thanks. It's all about my topic. Thanks for listening to me.
Very nice, Pallavi. You did so nice of you. And now let's see who is going to speak the next one. कौन बोलने चल रहा है next? I will have to check it out. चलिए चलते हैं और देखते हैं कि who is going to do it.
Yeah.
Ayushi.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm
Yes.
visible?
Yes, you are visible.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, friends. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to sir who has given me this golden opportunity to speak over this topic. My topic is when I deposited money first time. Friends, it was a matter of 2 days when my festival time was started, and many guests came to my house and for festival purpose, and I also went many relatives house for celebrating the festival, and all the relatives they give me rupees after went to their home, and so I collected 500 rupees on the festival time, and so I told my mother what I do with this rupees. So my mother told me, you first you deposit your money in your bank account. So I agreed with him, and one day in the morning time I went to near my bank, and it was the first time I went any bank, and I don't know what is the process of deposit any money. So I went near the bank employee and asked him. So he gave me deposit slip, and I filled the slip. Then I went to the other cash counter, and I deposited my 500 rupees. It was the first time for me to go any bank, and I'm very happy because I did it very well. And when I returned home, I told my mother, and I deposit it very well. It's all about my topic. Thank you listening for me.
Very nice, Rusty. You did so nice. Now,
Ayushi.
Ayushi, that Ayushi. Now the chance goes to next. Let me get it out that who is going to be the next. And the next is Deepanshi. Is she here? Deepanshi, is she here? I don't think so that she is here. No, she is not here. Okay, no problem. Mohan Bajpai. Mohan. Is he here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. Good morning. My educational topic is when I made food first time. Before speaking over the topic, I would like to say thank you, sir, who has given me this golden opportunity to speak over the topic. Friends, it was a matter of those days when I was in Lucknow for my study, for where I was preparing for banking exam. Then I first time made I made first time food for me. Firstly, I made tahri. First of all, I I collect all the things. I collect all the things which is necessary for made sahari. Then I switch on the gas, and then I put pressure cooker on the flame, and then I put some water. Then I put some oil on the pressure cooker, and then I put in that ginger and all the things in which is necessary. And after that I put rice in that, and after that I put some water on the cooker, in the cooker, and then I close that cooker, and then after 15 minutes my tahari is ready to eat. That's all about my topic. Thank you, sir. Thank you, listening.
Very nice. Now let's see who is going to be the next one, whose chance is going to come. Let me check it out that who's going to be the next speaker. So well, that is the Pooja. Pooja, your chances now. Yes. Voice is not coming, Pooja. Your voice is not coming. Not
Voice.
audible.
Unmute.
Oh, okay, sir.
Start.
Hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. First of all, my topic is when I got 80% marks in examination. First of all, I would like to thanks to sir who has given me golden opportunity to speak over this topic. Friends, the matter of those days when I was in 12th standard, it was the matter when I was very happy to saw my result. Friends, if a call came on my phone that she was my friend. She told, check your result. Check your result. It came out. I was shocked. Actually my father was going to take bath, but he returned and say, check your result. And all the member of my family sat beside me. Then I opened my laptop and put my roll number, and I saw that I saw the result. Firstly I closed my eyes. Then my younger brother saw my result and said, you got 80%. Wow, so nice. My father and all the member of my family were very happy, and I also was very happy. Then my father went to take bath and said to me that sit here. I will talk to you after taking bath. Then he came and my mother prepared pakoda and chai. We all were enjoying that day. That's all about my topic. Thank you for listening to me.
Let's see who's going to be the next speaker. Let me check it out. पर्दा खुलेगा और नाम आएगा. तो चलिए भैया, कौन है आ गया भैया नाम. Anjali, your name is? Anjali, you start.
Hello, good morning, everyone, and good morning, sir. It's the situational topic when I prayed first time. Before speaking in this topic, I would like to thanks to who has given me this golden opportunity to speak over this topic. First, this matter was of those days. I was in sixth standard. First time I went to temple with my mama, and I first time prayed to with my mama. Uh, I prayed of Lord Hanuman, and I prayed, and I gave I I I I I I I mm, with my mama, and mama told me you prayed of Hanuman. I told my mama, yes, I prayed I prayed of Hanuman, and mama said me, yes, you do it, but I asked mama how I prayed of Hanuman. Mama learn me see you burned agarbatti, and you round prayed of Hanuman, and I I uh, I I I I to- it's all about me. Thank you for listening to me.
Nice. But I think that you got up very late today as it was coming from your eyes. Is it so? Anjali, you got up very late today.
No, sir.
It was coming that you got very late. It was coming from your mouth that you were not looking fresh up as you look.
No, sir. I got up at 5 o'clock.
Okay, nice. Okay, now the channel, let me check it out that who is going to be the next. Yes. Now the chance goes to Ruksar. Ruksar, madam, where you are? Your chance has come out.
Yes. Good morning, sir. Hello, everyone. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to Mr. Raheen, sir, who has given me this golden opportunity to speak over this topic. My situational topic is when I fought with my friend. Friends, it was matter of those days when I was in 11th standard. I went to school by bicycle with my friend. One day I went to school with my friends. She teasing me, and she teasing me, and um, when I went to school, I got angry, and I told her, uh, why you are teasing me? Uh, 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 my friend was in mood of joy, so he was teasing again and again. So I got very angry, and I fought her. I slapped her and I told you did not speak me. Then I returned my home and I was so sad in that day, and I told my elder sister. Uh, today I fought my friend because she is teasing me. My sister understood me why you should not fight with her. Next day, I went to school and I say sorry. It's all about my topic. Thanks for listening to me.
Very good, very good, very good. Let's now we go for, let me check it out. I don't think so कि anybody has remained now. I will have to check it out. Yes, anybody has remained or not. So well, no, nobody has remained because name is not mentioned there. It means nobody has remained here. So everybody spoke. Anybody has remained? No, I don't think so. Anybody has remained.
No, sir.
Very nice, very nice. Give it up, give it up, give it up. So